Computech Technology Services provides remarkable on-site computer repair, networking, and voice and data cabling services throughout the whole city of Valparaiso. Our skilled, industry-accredited on-site PC repair and networking technology service technicians travel directly to your Valparaiso site to provide fast, inexpensive installation, setup, diagnostic and repair services on a very wide variety of different computer, printer, and networking technologies. Whether you want Windows OS error troubleshooting carried out on your desktop or laptop workstation, virus elimination, or complex hardware diagnosis and repair services for MBs, RAM modules, CPUs, or hard disk drives, our highly experienced computer PC professionals have you covered. If you need network installation, configuration and diagnosis and repair services including complete voice and data structured cabling services, our expert trained voice and data network techs are ready to service your Valparaiso site today. Whether you need diagnosis of your ISP modem, network router testing, or simply need one of our skilled Indiana technicians to pull some new cabling to support your growing network, we have it all covered, quickly and professionally. Give us a call today and learn why we are Indiana's most requested on-site computer system repair, network, and voice and data structured cabling service supplier, 859-780-3020.